In this video, we will show you how to install Citrix workspace for Windows 11. This component is required to run the simulator in the cloud. We assume that you have already signed in the cloud with your login. Go to Simulator Access menu and go to About the System Requirement to find the link to download the workspace. Then choose Download File, Accept. After downloading, open the file to run the installation program. Then click on Continue to do the installation, accept the license agreement. Do not select any add-on, we don't need it, and click on Install. At the end of the installation, do not enter any email address because the Citrix login will be provided by the Synapse application. Close the windows and then you can return to the simulator. Now, if you click on Simulator Access again and you select, for example, the shots simulator, then you can run the system. And then an ECR file will be generated on the top right. Click on it and it will open the connection with the Citrix, as you can see here. Accept the use, and now you are in the environment. We will see in another video how to set up the simulator and run the shots. Thank you.